I'm Dr. Greg Ellis, and I've been working with autistic kids since 1996. Worked with probably over 1,500 kids. Learned a bit, helped a lot of kids. Question is, what is the cause of autism? Most people believe it's genetically based. Some exciting new research is just coming out, that's been coming out just for the last 5 years, indicating the cause of autism is not what people think it is. There's not a single gene that causes autism. In fact, genes only represent maybe 6 to 15% of some of the underlying issues with the creation of autism. What we're now learning is that it's a physiological problem. It's based on the body. Now, most people know and understand, or parents I should say, of autistic kids, that autism usually doesn't come on until the child is about 12 to even 36 months of age. Most of these kids were developing normally. They had normal language, eye contact, socialization. All the problems that are characteristic of an autistic child did not exist until later on. So what is it that we're learning? We're learning that there's 4 new areas of important research. Immune system dysfunction associated with inflammation, and then there is mitochondrial dysfunction. We'll talk about that. There's oxidative stress, and there is the effect of environment through toxins in the environment. Now, I personally think that mitochondrial dysfunction is the leader. It's the cause of all the others. The environmental pollutants come in and poison the mitochondria, and the kids just can't make enough energy, or ATP. ATP is the energy source for all the tissues of the body. What else is happening? There are things called comorbidities. There's gastrointestinal problems. There's a problem, obviously, with the brain and the immune system dysfunction. And these are all high energy users. So I think what's going on is that there's a failure to produce enough energy, and a lot of this is coming from toxins in the environment, but they act on the mitochondria. They destroy the mitochondria, weaken it so you can't produce any energy. And my model of autism was always that the child's operating at a level of survival. So if you can't produce energy, your survival's threatened. There's no question about that. So this is the exciting new research that's coming out showing that autism is just genetically influenced. It's not a gene, it's genetically influenced, and it's not based in one organ or tissue such as the brain. So the current model is genetics and brain disorder. That model is old news. We've got to change our thinking about that. So the new model talks about physiological dysfunction in multiple areas of the body. I'm Dr. Greg Ellis.